Position and potential. 40 Cooran Court, Noosa Sound. Positioned on the waterways of Noosa Sound, this low-set home enjoys a whisper-quiet position facing east to the water and within an easy 10-minute walk to the fabulous Hastings Street and Noosa's main beach. With rich timber and natural stone flooring, this home provides sizeable indoor and outdoor living areas. A modern kitchen and a separate media room. The master suite is large and opens towards the pool area, while the other 2 bedrooms, which have a shared bathroom, open onto the courtyard. With a crystal clear pool, jetty and a ramp, this is the ideal holiday home or perfect Noosa retreat. Best of all, the owners are keen to sell today. Exclusive agent, Jennifer Carr, R&W Noosa.